Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to San Fabian, Pangasinan to check out By the Beach Cafe. By the Beach Cafe opened just a couple of months ago and it's already the talk of the town. It is located on the shore of Nibalu Beach and the nearest landmark is the Coast Guard substation. They start serving food at 5 in the afternoon, just in time for the sunset viewing, and closes at 11 p.m. They offer on-the-budget snacks, rice meals, desserts, and beverages for everyone. What we love the most here, other than the ambience and the food, is the fact that By the Beach Cafe is a certified Instagrammable spot for millennials like us. I enjoyed my experience here with What's Up Dagupan team. Come and visit By the Beach Cafe to see it for yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and I do hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more videos in the future.